All right, y'all, good morning. It's Tim Denton at 5-Star Ford. I'm in Warner Robins, Georgia. We call it the War Town. We got the largest base in the state up the street. What we're going to do today is I'm doing a 2021 6.7 Platinum Super Duty. So obviously it's going to be slap loaded with every option under the sun. Silver in color, black interior on the inside. Like I said, this is a 2021. It's finally starting to come out. 6.7 Power Stroke. This vehicle here, the engine's covered for 100,000 miles. The transmission's 60. You get a 3-year, 36 full wraparound. And here at 5-Star Ford, you get a lifetime warranty, which is good anywhere in the United States or Canada. Ford's going to pay for 6 months of satellite radio. Ford's going to pay for 5 years, 60,000 miles of roadside service. Get a really cool app with this. It's called Ford Pass. From your phone, you can lock it, unlock it, remote start it, locate it. You can pull your phone out, see how much gas is in it, tire pressure, the whole 9 yards. We also give discounts for military, first responders, nurses, doctors, Farm Bureau members, recent college grad, current college students. All right, so let's check out some options. As we can see, the grille looks like it's been a little redesigned from 20. Right under the Ford logo, you can see there's a front camera. You got your hooks in the front there to pull anybody out of the mud or to use for towing. It does have the good lights. You can also see Super Duty etched in on the hood over there. It's got really nice Michelin tires. With the Platinum, you're going to have the deployable running boards. You're also going to have a camera here. You'll have one under both of those. A camera in the front. There's a camera under that mirror as well. You're going to have your 6.7 Power Stroke logo here. That's how on a Ford, if you know it's a diesel. If that isn't there, then it's going to be a gas burner. You got your Platinum badging there on the side as well. It's got a tailgate step. Ford redesigned that in 2015. It makes it real easy. It's not a whole bunch of crap you can't figure out. It's super easy to use. They redesigned it in 15 where you can actually sit here now, put a beverage here and put your feet so you can really tailgate. Prior to 15, it used to be all up here and you couldn't sit here. This one's already prepped for a fifth wheel and a gooseneck. As you can see, it's already got the hookups here. You've got LED lights in the bed of the truck that light up this whole bed at night. So if you're hunting at night or doing some work, you can light this whole bed up. You can also see, this is really like the coolest camera to me. There's a little camera here. It goes over the whole bed so you can see your fifth wheel or your gooseneck, which again, is already prepped up. Tailgate step made it real easy for me to get in the bed. Real easy to work. Boom, 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 bam. You can see your Platinum badging on the rear. You can see you can also conventional tow right there. So you can gooseneck with this, fifth wheel with it, conventional tow. You're gonna have backup sensors. You'll have a camera there as well. So that gives you a total of 5 different cameras with all kinds of different views. The tailgate, as you can see, is powered. So it will lower with power. Now it does not go back up. You'll have to manually put it back up. There's your conventional towing. Your hookups for your pigtails for your trailer if you're towing anything conventional style. Of course, it's going to have an easy fuel cap where you put your DEF fluid in there for your diesel. It's got a redesigned back window in 2015 as well. It got pushed in a little bit so it's more aerodynamic, quieter in the cabin. Let's get a good look at the outside of the truck with the doors closed. And then what we'll do is we'll look at the cockpit. Fx-4. So a little bit cooler than having a four-wheel drive. Fx-4, you'll have skid plates in the front. A little bit better shocks, and it kind of looks cool, kind of like having a polo on your shirt. Get another look at the deployable running boards. This one has a 6 3/4 inch bed, which is the short bed on a Super Duty. They also come in an 8-foot bed. It's a good looking truck. Expensive truck, stickers over $80,000, but a good looking truck. All right, so in the back here, both of these seats fold up. The seat over there folds down. Now you do have a storage bin right here. This does fold down, so if you don't need it, you can fold it, lay flat. It does come with all-weather Ford floor mats. You can see all the platinum badging on all the seats with the red stitching. You've got heated rear seats, 110 volt outlet back here, regular house plug, USB port, cell phone charger, the whole 9 yards. This does have a panoramic roof. With the panoramic, that first part tilts and opens, back part's permanent. There is a curtain that you can put anywhere you want, so if the sun's beating down, it doesn't have to get on your head. Over here, you got keyless entry. Intelligent access, so all I have to do is touch this door handle to lock or unlock. You've got blind spot monitoring on your mirrors. Also, those mirrors there, they power fold and they power extend. You're gonna have seat memory. You'll have easy exit. So easy exit, when you turn this vehicle off, steering wheel goes up, seat backs up to make it easy for you to get out. When you come back in and start it, it'll move back into your position due to seat memory. You're gonna have a power steering wheel. Like I said, you see all the red stitching here. Your seats are powered, of course, and they're multi-contour, which means it actually does a button back massager. So see, you got a button back massager there. I can actually isolate it to whatever part of the body I want it to work on. You've got adaptive cruise control, all your settings in here for the functionality of the vehicle. You have cosmetic settings over here for, like, want to change your treble on your radio, how your screen looks, how your nav looks, all that kind of stuff. It's going to have the upgraded sound system. That's your Jake brake. That keeps you from slipping and sliding. Hazards if you're towing downhill. This lane assist, which is pretty cool. While you're driving, these little lines right here turn green or red. So when I start going the other lane, it shakes and lets me know, or they stay green, let me know I'm in the middle of the lane. We talked about the cameras. They're everywhere. That's your 360 camera with radar. That's in front of us here. This is the one I like. This is the one that goes over the bed of the truck and actually lines you up with your fifth wheel and such. Gooseneck. Of course, this vehicle is going to have navigation. Got heated, cooled seats. I'm pretty positive it's going to have a heated steering wheel. Let's see. Yep, heated steering wheel right there. We talked about satellite radio, navigation, of course. I mean, that's almost kind of standard now on vehicles. Different apps with travel links. Over here, you're going to have your four-wheel drive, high and low. If you pull this knob out, your locking rear axle, your positive traction. Trailer brake control is already built in if you conventional tow. It's also got trailer backup assist. That's where you put the dimensions to the trailer on the back of into this little screen right here. You put some stickers on your trailer, and this knob here will steer the truck and the trailer. You got another 110 volt outlet up here. You've got storage up top. Normal glove box. Cell phone charger here. Plenty of cup space. Plenty of storage here, and this thing does lock. So if you put your pistol in there, your gun, anything like that, it will lock up. The back window is power sliding. Said this here closes. So this will close, this will open and tilt. The back part's permanent. And like I said, there is a curtain that you can stop that curtain anywhere you want to stop it. Up here works your moonroof, your lighting. You've got auxiliary switches already wired up. They're not hooked up to anything, but if you want to put shining lights or a horn or anything at all, it's already wired up. These here are sensors if anybody knocks out your glass. Let's close this curtain all the way up. All right, y'all, hope you enjoyed this Super Duty video. Like I said, this is a 2021 6.7 F-250 Platinum. So about as top as it gets. I mean, Limited's a little bit higher, but besides that, this bad boy is as good as it gets. Love the silver. It's got a little different tint to it than it has in the past. The chrome handles, chrome grille, chrome rear, chrome rims. So again, Tim at 5 Star Ford. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Beautiful truck.